If you want to understand how high or steep a location is, Google Maps can help you visualize elevation using terrain view and contour-based mapping. While Google Maps does not show full elevation graphs like dedicated hiking apps, it still provides useful elevation cues through its mapping tools. To begin, open Google Maps in your browser and search for the area you want to explore. This could be a hiking trail, mountain region, or even a driving route through varied terrain. If you're checking elevation along a trip, click Directions and enter your starting point and destination. This allows you to see how the route travels across different landscapes. Next, switch to Terrain View using the Layers button in the bottom left corner. Terrain View is important because it reveals elevation changes that are not visible in the standard map layout. Once Terrain View is enabled, zoom into your route or area of interest. You will notice contour lines and shaded relief patterns that indicate changes in elevation. Areas where lines are close together usually indicate steep terrain, while wider spacing suggests flatter ground. To better understand elevation changes along a specific path, you can use the Measure Distance tool. By right-clicking on the map and selecting this option, you can click along a route or trail to trace its path manually. As you move along the line, you can visually observe how the terrain rises and falls based on contour spacing and landscape shading. This gives you a rough idea of elevation changes, even without a formal graph. In some cases, especially for hiking routes, Google Maps may show elevation gain information within the route details. However, this feature is not always available for all locations or travel modes. For more advanced elevation charts and detailed vertical profiles, users often switch to Google Earth, which provides a more precise 3D elevation visualization. Still, for quick planning and general understanding, Terrain View in Google Maps is a simple and effective way to estimate elevation changes. And that's how you look up elevation charts in Google Maps. Switch to Terrain View, analyze contour lines, and use route tools to understand how elevation changes across your selected path.